Welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about how we can send headers and parameters in rest assured. Okay, so I have developed this small program here. Let me show you the output first, then we'll discuss how we can implement it. Okay, so here I have started running my program. It started running. Now you can see I got the response code of 200. That means I got the data properly and I could able to print it here. Okay, so using the post method here. Okay, using the post as an example. Okay, so this is the call I am using and these are the headers that I am setting up. Okay, these are actually headers and this is a parameter. Okay, this is nothing but a API call, alien API call. I got this example from online, so I am using that. So let's go and implement this one first. Okay, let me remove everything for you. I removed everything and yeah, imports as well. Cool. So what we are going to do is like before hitting the post request or get request, we need to set the headers and parameters. Okay, let me write down for you. Here it's like before hitting request, either put post get or delete. Before hitting this request, we need to set the parameters. Okay, so then we need to put them in given method, right? After given method. Okay, then we need to mention, I can say mention in given method. Okay, that I gonna explain it now. So what I'll be doing is given of, I don't think it will get detected here, so let me import this one, static of io dot rest assured dot sorry io dot rest assured dot given method. Okay, this is the one given of. Then what we can do is come to next line, next page, sorry, next line, set header. Header is key value pair I have. Okay, so this is a key. Value is this is the value I have. Then again one more header. Okay, in this way we can keep on adding the headers. I have added the headers. Now I need to add this parameter. So I'll be using this one parameter. There were lot of overloading parameters are there. You can use them. Okay, let me try something like hello rest assured. Okay, once I set up the parameters, now it's time to use the request. So post is my request. I'll be sending the URL. Then I'll be using this then use something called assert dart. Not even, you don't need assert, I just wanted all the response. So this should work sufficiently for us. Okay, so let me execute this one. I am just showing how the response would become once this executed. and we'll come to know whether headers were set properly or not. Okay, so I started running the program. Now you can see there are no failure test cases. Now you can see we got the response properly. Okay, either text is required. Okay, okay, I have added this. Okay, extra space came. Because of that I got the response code as 400. Now I have executed it. That means there is some issue from my 400 means there is some issue from my setting purpose, URL setting side. Okay, now you can see status code as 200 and you can see the data came properly and it detected this language as English. Okay, so this is how using header and param we can set up the headers and parameters in Rest Assured. Okay, please do subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.